Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a trading bot to your MEXC account in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to launch your MEXC app and then log in into your account. Then you need to tap on your profile icon in the top left hand corner of the screen and go to API management. Over here, you need to create API and give it a name like bot connection, and then you need to simply select the permissions that you need, usually like read and trade. So over here you will see the account option, so you need to provide all of these details and then you will be able to create it. For security, avoid enabling the withdraw option and complete the security verification. Then copy your API key and the secret key and open your trading bot platform and paste both of these things in that trading bot settings in order to establish the connection between these two. Once the connection is established, you need to configure your strategy, set the limit and activate the bot. Make sure to monitor your bot regularly to keep your keys safe. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.